Hi everyone, it's Mimi. Welcome back to my channel. I am here with the final entry into my birthday challenge giveaway. This is entry number 17 from Alicia Hayes. Hi Alicia. So let me first share with you guys what the inside of, she sent a box. Alicia, you didn't have to do all this, but it's so appreciated. But let me just share with you guys. It is so cute. And this like clear shred keeps sticking everywhere, so if you see it in the video, that's what that is. But first, let's go over the entry items. And she did tell me that she was using the lavender collection from Prima. It is so pretty and I love this. You did a great job. I love these little tickets. I don't know if you fussy cut them out. There's this little fairy die cut here. It's super dimensional. She has some lace in the background, a doily, and this little swag piece that she put at the bottom. It's super cute. And let me just show you guys the back. She has this little button. It says handmade with love. That is so cute. So Alicia is Alicia Hayes on YouTube, but she does not make videos. On Instagram, she is stowebaker, and I will leave her Instagram link down below. She says her crafting style, I'm still learning, but she loves Prima products. Her favorite colors are blue, purple, pink, peach, and gold. And she sent her entry in from New York. So thank you so much, Alicia. It is so cute. And look at this gorgeous card she created. Lots of layering and dimension. Looks like she used a scalloped rectangle to cut different size for the layers. She tucked in like half a doily over here and then the other half up here. There's some lace in the background. The bottom layer of cardstock has glitter on it, which I love. It says you are worth it. And then she used those fairy die cuts mirroring each other. So cute. And here is the inside. Super cute. And she used that, I think, same paper that she used on the front and cut out with the die happy birthday. She said, I hope you had a wonderful day. Thank you so much. And I love the gorgeous butterflies in this collection. And then look at the back, so cute. Thank you so much. So those are her entries, and I don't know what you did in here, but you are way too generous. I especially love these little foam glittered balls that she included. And like I said, see, this shred is just sticking. Okay, on this journaling card that she had in the box, she did write me a little bit more about herself, so thank you so much. I did read it off camera, and it is great getting to know you a little bit better, so I really appreciate that. And it looks like she created some handmade bows for me. This package kind of flopped open when I was taking the items out, so I will continue to take this one out. Oh, I'm losing stuff. But look at these super cute bows. I love it when people hand make me bows because then I don't have to do it. And she used some really pretty glittered cardstock here. And this shred is just not cooperating with me. But she created some backers with the lavender collection on some chipboard. Aren't these so pretty? I love the centers that you used. I do have some of these, but I never know what to put them on, and now I do. I can put them on some bows. So thank you so much. And here is another set. And I don't know if they're different bows, like shaped bows, but they kind of look similar. But again, thank you so much. I really appreciate you taking the time to do that. Alrighty, so there's this beautiful little envelope. I'm sorry, guys. From the collection. And she sent me some die cuts. And this looks like rose gold. Look at all these fairies. I do not have a die that cuts these out. And you cut me so many. I so appreciate that. I know how long it takes. And then here are those profile ones that she used. Thank you for taking the time to do that. That is so sweet of you. I will definitely find a project or two to use those. She also sent this package. This collection is just so beautiful. I still haven't used my collection yet, but now it's making me want to. I'm gonna keep these in here. She made me some of these toppers from Alina Crafts, and she used the pattern paper. It is so pretty. I love them. And if you guys don't know, butterflies are my absolute favorite. And she made me quite a few. So thank you so much for taking the time to do that. And then she sent me a die. And I do not have this one. So it comes with 3 different dies. It is so cute. And this one in the middle has hearts on the outside. Oh, so does this one. So this will be perfect for Valentine's Day. Thank you so much. That is so sweet of you. I love new dies. So again, this is entry number 17 from Alicia Hayes. Thank you so much, Alicia. You went above and beyond, and I so appreciate it. So make sure to check her out on Instagram. Like I said, I will have the link down below. And stay tuned, guys, because you know, after I tally everything up, I will be drawing 4 winners for my giveaway prizes. So thank you guys so much for hanging in there through all the date changes and little bits of delays due to the holidays. And I will see you real soon when I pick the winners. I hope you guys are having a fantastic day, and I will see you guys in the next video. Bye, everyone.